NASA alert. Massive 120-foot, airplane-sized asteroid racing towards Earth at high speed on June 4. NASA has confirmed that asteroid 2025 KX-8 is approaching. The space rock will make its closest pass on 4th of June. It spans about 120 feet in size, comparable to a small airplane. Asteroid near Sun, representative image, Canva. Sometimes, looking up at the sky can feel surreal. Somewhere out there, a chunk of rock is flying past Earth, quietly, quickly, and without much fuss. Still, scientists are watching. 2025 KX-8 is set for